To add a social link on your Reddit. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to your Reddit and open it. Then when it's open you will go to your profile icon and click then go my profile. Then you have to go to uh, edit and then go to social link add. And for example I will add like TikTok, and you have to write your username. For example, this is my username on TikTok. Then click save, and now if it is true uh, it will like work. Like for example I don't know, I don't have a TikTok, so if you have something like this you will link it with Reddit. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.